Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Chevrolet Tahoe 2015. This car came here. The air condition didn't work. Can you bring me the compressor, please? This car come to the shop because the air condition, the mechanic tell him that the compressor is no good. So they went and they replaced the compressor. After they replace the compressor, still the compressor doesn't work. They brought it here, say, Muhammad, diagnose this car and see why the compressor is not working. I tell my technician to check why the compressor doesn't work. At the end, he put the machine inside. He tell me, Muhammad, this is the first compressor. And this compressor, by the way, it is good. It's function, it work, it have no problem at all. So, the technician, they change it, they put a new one, which is there, as you see in there. Still compressor doesn't work. So they check everything, they say, okay, look, the compressor is new, it still doesn't work. But while the compressor is not working, the customer comes the second day, he say, you know what, when I left here, my headlight is not working. My headlight is not working, my tail light. The technician opened it, I don't know what he did. The headlight is work, but the tail light doesn't work at all. The tail light doesn't work. I checked everything in this car. I went inside. If you notice the video that I have it, we have a fuse here. We check all the fuse. We have a fuse on the other side. We check all those fuses, still no way. So I went to the wiring diagram, and I look at it here. I went to the wiring diagram. After a thorough diagnosis, I realized that, I don't know what I have it here, but the computer inside commanding certain functions here, certain relay to turn on light and pass through fuses, through a fuse. We checked everything. I did not get what's supposed to be. The owner said no, he deactivated from there, which I don't believe that. After he said that compressor is not working, they found the wire issue. They tried to work on it, or Mahmoud left it like that. Do they do any work? Like nobody do anything. So when he work on this car here.
But one thing I can tell you, he was inside with the computer doing things.
Yeah, but here is a problem. The computer is only activation. It's just like a switch. It will not delete anything. This is a diagnostic machine. But if he working here, if he open this fuse, he may take a relay or something, and by the way, he remove it from his place, because this fuse box is coming for different cars. Sometimes it's empty here, sometimes it's empty there. If you take something, be sure that must go back
to the same place.
So if you take something and you see any square, you put it in, you will activate anything, or you just
deactivate
also like what happened. You remember the short, why we found the fuse? By the way, this here.
Yeah.
Hold on. You remember today we replaced a fuse. That's fuse here, right?
Yeah, this one.
This fuse here is for the fuel pump, for the compressor. We found that it's blown, and the reason why this fuse keep blowing and the compressor doesn't work, because the guy who disconnect this one here, he turned it this way. So he put the power, ground power, he blow the fuse and nothing work. All your problem on the compressor. Why you change the compressor? Because the connector here you can put it anywhere, he put it wrong. Now this is one, and in order for you to test the compressor, you have to work here. Now if you look here, we're gonna go to the wiring diagram. The wiring diagram keeps saying that I don't know where is the compressor relay, but I feel like this place here is supposed to have a relay here, and this relay is for the lights. This here supposed to have a relay here or relay here, one of them. I'm gonna check it, be sure which one is, because after the relay is coming two power. Maybe it's here, maybe it's this one. I'm gonna look at it now.
Okay.
You see this relay 51 is a parking lamp relay, so it's fuse here, and then this is 42, 43 are the output for the You see here, left parking lamp, right parking lamp. So next to it, in the corner here, this is the relay for the 51, because it says 51 parking lamp relay, this one. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. So let's see again. I don't know what about this one here, but can you put me the, okay, so you see here 1, 2, supposed to have relay 3. This is supposed to be the relay for that one. So I don't know what relay is this for. This place is empty. You see here? There's nothing here. You know, like this one here.
Okay.
This one is empty here. So this is supposed to be here. This one supposed to be here.
Okay.
Now start the car. Just start it or turn the switch on. You see now? Everything is there. Everything is there. Every light is there. So anytime when you have a problem, start the car. You see all the light, everything is perfect.
Yeah.
So that's what it is. So nothing say that somebody go inside with the computer, turn off. No, I say nobody is perfect. But when you have something, get a good reason. Don't just jump and say, look, somebody turn it off from inside. No. While he's working, it's possible. Hey, Muhammad, you are working here, or while you are working here, or your technician working here, maybe something, yes, it happened a lot. That's why always when you walk, so this is here now. You see this place here?
Yeah,
it's empty, nothing.
Yeah.
So he took this one here from this, and maybe try to check your compressor, and then he come here and put it here. And now when he put it here, maybe he create other problems. Okay? And then he can create other problem correctly. Now you see your relay is working and everything is working. Also, this compressor, if you want, put it back, tighten it. It's easy, no problem. Put it back correctly. How much you buy that compressor?
300.
Yeah, take it out, put it back. Let them give you their money back at least.
Yeah, no, it's already.
It's okay.
I'm gonna give it to.
Okay, anyhow,
want it,
start it. I
or-
want to be sure. I don't know. I want to be sure it's working. Put the compressor on. Yeah, you see now? The AC compressor is on, fine. We have very good air condition. And this is the whole story for today. That a relay was being replaced and the relay was not. By the way, this car here, so here is the relay for the parking lamp, and this tube is out. After the parking lamp close, it will send power to this two relay, and this two relay, these two fuses, sorry, and this two fuses will send power back. By the way, in this light here, we have only 3 bulbs, one, and 2, and the third one here is for the backup. So one light bulb will it work with 2, like 2 wires. 2 wires which is ground and power. But this power is like modulated power, computerized. It can send brake light, it can send signal light. So this one here, if you push the brake, it will be more brighter. If you make signal, it will be more, it will start blinking. So it's one wire with 3 functionality, LED, like LED light. Also, here we have a small light here. And this light here, everything is work. That one is brake lights. And today we spent a couple of minutes, couple of time on this car, try to figure out what's going on. I will show you some of the data on the other phone, on the other video, and the wiring diagram. Let me give you some information. Here you have some wiring diagram or some relays. Like here, 51 is in this place here, and if you look at 51, any number 51. You're gonna see like relay. I don't know where it's located, but if you look here, you will get it. And the wiring diagram, the conclusion of the wiring diagram that I try to get, this is from Mitchell on Demand or Identify Direct Hit. If you come here, this is a trailer relay. But if you go back on this fuse here, you notice it. This is the park lamp relay. and when you have a power coming, full power from lamp relay. And if you notice here, when it close, commanded by the body control module, it sent power to LP left, LP right, or LP RT fuses, and this leave this one here, and it comes to the either left side parking lamp or right side parking lamp. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And this is Muhammad Harun Idris, and see you in another video. And thank you for your support. I just reached 30,000 subscribers. And if you have any idea or any advice, I will be happy to take from you, and see you on another video. This is for Chevy Suburban, Tahoe, Cadillac. All these cars could be the same thing. Thank you again.